Now we are in our chapter 4, cubes and cube roots. In the school, in which speed I travel, the same speed we are traveling in online also. We have to go at that speed. Then only I can complete at least 80% of the portion. Okay, then also remaining will be there. Chapters will be there, which is not possible to complete during the online session. Okay, it happens every year. It happens like that only, because time won't be sufficient, right? The government itself has reduced the portions only for every class. They themselves told this much only possible. Government syllabus and all, they have reduced. The same way, our textbook, what we follow also, we should reduce a little bit. Remaining portion, how much possible, that much we will cover. The remaining portions will be carried out on the next year. Last year, one thing we have not covered. This year, definitely we will be covering. Geometry only, it is difficult. That time only, it is difficult to teach during this online thing. It is difficult. Class face to face, it is easy. I can check it out using my compass, using the protractor, how you did. During the online class, like this video mode, it is very difficult. Correction also is not possible for that geometry one. Okay, we'll see what happens. By the time if the school reopens, we will have all our geometry portion for the third term, and third term we will be finishing that geometry. We don't know when school will reopen and all. We don't know, no idea. As for now, what and all the chapter we can cover in online, these and all easily we can cover in online. Easily you can understand. Only geometry and graph only teaching is difficult in online. That too, graphs easy. Children understand very nicely. Last year also they did very nicely. Geometry alone only is a very difficult thing. We'll see what can be done. By that time school will reopen. We will have push all our geometry portions to the last term, and I will be finishing that time. Now about the cubes and cube roots. Just as we have seen the squares and the square roots, similar to that of the chapter is cubes and cube roots. The only difference is, in case of square, the power will be 2, where you have to multiply the numbers. Yes, this year graph still more interesting. This year data handling chapter very important, and Kerala new virus has come. Yes, day by day like that only they say. Data handling chapter, what is in 8th standard, I like very much. The graphs superb, it is very easy. Easily you can score marks. Very interesting one. New type of graphs. Lot of graphs are there. We can do nearly 15-20 graphs we can do. Very interesting. Last year very less only we had. 7th, 8th will have more. Interesting will be. So the power 2 means 2 times to multiply. The same thing when the power is 3 times to multiply. That is called as a cubing. Cubing means writing the numbers 3 times. Okay. In that, what is that? Like in squares, how we have 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared. In the same way, 1 cube. 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. 3 cube is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27. Like these numbers are called as perfect cubes. As we say perfect squares, these and all we used to say while taking square roots and all, you used to say. Yes, everybody concentrate now. Stop talking. Then only cube roots you will understand more nicely. Now enough discussion. Nicely concentrate on what I'm telling. It is similar to that of the square roots. Little bit changes will be there. I will say where the changes are. Okay, in that squares we will have separate formula. In cube roots chapter we have separate formula. Okay, understand that and we will proceed to the exercise. Exercise all together, I cannot do all the sums in a line. Then and there I will give you explanation using an example. Then we have to move to the exercise. Again example, again exercise. Like that only we need to pass on. Our textbook is like that only. Right? So, on squaring the number means writing the number twice and making a square. This is over. Our chapter of squares is over. You know that. Now we are talking about only cubes, where cubing means writing the numbers that many times, 3 times. 100 cube, 100 into 100 into 100. So that many times writing and multiplying that is what is cube. In that also perfect cubes are the numbers which have on multiplication when it comes exactly the whole number. When the square root of a number is a whole number, that's a perfect cube. Cube, you have seen a Rubik's cube also. Many used to play that within some seconds, 1.2 seconds, 1.5 within minutes, sorry, 1.5 minutes, and all people used to join to making all the full face as a red one, blue one, and all. Actually, it is by 3, it is a cube only. We say it's a cube. Rubik's cube, we say, right? 3:3:3, which means 3, this one will be there. 3 colored squares will be there. Okay. Many will be doing this on all colors to bring one face they know to do. They have all faces to do, like that and all they used to do. My daughter will do that. Like this is there, but she won't do fast. I think within 2 minutes, 3 minutes something will be doing. So 3:3:3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Totally actually 27 it will be. Okay. So the length, breadth and the height, like that it is. Length, breadth and height of the cube. So 3:3:3 we say. That's a Rubik cube actually. Yes. One side coloring easy. All side coloring she will do. I have seen my daughter doing. So like those things are there. It's about a cube. Then yeah, cube of an odd number is always an odd number, and the even number is always even. That we have seen already. Okay, it exists like that. 2 is an even number. Now 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. 8 is also even. 2 is even. The cube root of that is also even. When it is an odd number, for example, take 7. 7 into 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. 49 sevens are 343. This also you must know. Cubing of a number. If you know, it is easy to do prime factorization. We have prime factorization this time also. Yes. Colors of a cube and all I didn't ask. Okay. 7 cube. 7 is an odd number. This is also ending in 3 is an odd number. So what is there? The cube of an odd number is always odd, and an even number is always even. These and all general properties must know before doing a chapter. Now then told 3 ends with 7, ending in that and all not needed. Why host is muting? Okay. Digits in the ones place of the number. Now, for example, this 23. Okay. Like this question will be, find the digit in the ones place, units place or ones place, however it is, for the cube of this number. No need to do the cube entirely, no need to do the cubing. Just to take the ones place digit. That alone you do the cubing. That alone. However big the number be, let it be. Just take the ones place digit and do the cubing. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. It is ending at 7. So this number cube, the cube of this also will end in the number 7. Ending digit, I mean, will end at the number 7. Like these questions are there in the exercise. Okay, for example, I am giving one lengthy number like this. What is the cube of this large number? What is the ending digit will ask. So just to take the number, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. 64 is the 4 cube. We have to cube this one. We got this. 4 is the ending number. Yes. So this big number, this entire number, when we cube, I will get the digit 4 only. Ending digit alone we are talking. Okay. So the ending digit alone, yes. Finding the cube, we should multiply by 3. Multiplying, no. The digit is repeated 3 times. It is not multiplying by 3. It is repeating the digit 3 times. For example, 812, 812 into 812 into 812, like that it is. Understood what I am telling? If I am telling 812 cube, 812 into 812 into 812, I am not telling 3 into 812. Multiplying by 3 is different. Cubing is different. Like squaring, it is. Right. See, simple thing. 2 cube. Like squaring how we did on the same way only. For example, 40 square. 40 40s are. It is not 2 into 40. It is not 2 into 40. I am not talking 2 into 40. It is 40 40s are. 4 4s are 16. 00. The answer is 1800. The answer is not 240s are 80. No. We are not doubling up. We are repeating the digits twice. 4 the power is 4 times to repeat. 3 the power 3 times to repeat. Cubing is repeating for 3 times. Then what a unit place digit I told. Okay, with this we will start the exercise. Then I will explain again one more formula where it is needed. Then we'll do third sum onwards again we'll do. Now if I explain everything, you won't understand. So first, with this example what we have seen now, we will start the exercise. Exercise 4.1. First, you know about the ones place, you know. Cubing means writing 3 times the number and multiplying. These and all you know. Right. Now, first question. Evaluate 8 power 3, 8 cube, minus 6 power 3, 11 power 3, minus 12 power 3. These and all there. Okay. 4 sums. 2 sums I'll do. Let me what happened? Ma'am, what happened? The host is muting. Able to hear now? 11 into 11 into 11. Okay. 11 11s are 121. That alone I know. Remaining I have to do only. 11 11s are 121. 121 11s are 1 1s are 1, 2 1s are 2, 1 1s are 1. Again, 1 1s are 1, 2 1s are 2, 1 1s are 1. 1 and 3 and 3 and 1. So the answer is 1331. On cubing the number, 11 11s are 121, 121 11s are, this is the answer. That's all. Cubing means just making it repeatedly 3 times to write the number and to multiply the number. As a cube of an odd number or cube of an positive number is positive. And a negative number is negative. Now let us see a negative number. Minus 12 power 3. Repeating the number 3 times is equal to minus 12 into minus 12 into minus 12. Always cube of an positive is positive, negative is negative. In square case, everything positive. Squaring, positive number also positive, negative number also positive. Because minus into minus, less, right? That is in case of square. In case of cubes, positive to positive, negative number, first write negative. Very important. Then only do the thing. Okay? 12 12s are, I know, 144. After that, what is there? 12 12s are 144, 144 12s are. This both I did again doing with this. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 1 2s are 2. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 1 1s are 1. 8, 8 plus 4, 12 2 carried over 1, 4 plus 3, 7, 1. 1, 7, 2, 8. Okay, negative symbol ma. As I already told, cubes always negative. Cube of a negative number is negative. That is minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Like that also you can say. So cube of a positive and negative. Simple questions. This is 1 mark we can keep. That's all. How to do? What is Hamiltonian? How to do? What how to do? Multiplication to do. Say tables and do. What is that? D problem. D problem how to do? You tell me. Tell me what is this? Cubing. Cubing I wrote 3 times. Then I multiplied. You multiply. 12 12s are 144. 144 12s are. See here. We multiplied. We got the answer. How means what? Say tables and multiply. How to multiply? What to say? Right. These are 1 mark question. So C and D we completed. You will be getting the material after I complete this chapter. Now itself don't jump. By feeling lazy to write, you will ask when you will send the material. First day while giving introduction itself, I don't send material. After completing only, will send this. Up to this, before this chapter you have. You practice that. Now you want, you sit and write. You write in the max note. Yes, you write everything, full practice only will happen. It's very good only. Yes. Material last only I will send. Because once you have material, now you will be answering in the chat box. You will see the material and children will just simply will keep on typing. Yes. They will disturb. So I don't, after completing only I'll send. Okay, question number 2, right? Question number 1, 4 sums were there like this cubing. 2 I did. 8 cube and 6 cube is the homework. 8 cube will be the homework. Minus 6 cube is the homework sum. Okay, A and B. Round and keep in the textbook if you have a textbook. A and B. Question number 2 now. Find the digits in the ones place for the cubes of the following numbers. We want the digits in the ones place, right? What is the digits in the ones place? The ones place number alone to take and to do the cubing. Just now we saw the example, no? Same thing. Example sum I told you, by having something, the same thing only. A, B, C and D. B and C I am going to do. Question and all, refer textbook. Question is, find the digit in the ones place for the cubes of the following numbers. Now, in this, underline this. What is this? The units place, or you can say ones place, however you like. The units place is 5. Okay, the units place is 5, yes. By cubing it we get. By cubing it we get. First our work is this only. 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. Ending digit round it. Okay. So this number I underlined. Unit place is 5. By cubing it we get 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. Therefore, 35 will have, the number will have this only, will have 5 in its units place. It will have 5 in its units place after cubing. not directly after cubing. That is the question. Question is, find the digit in the ones place for the number for the cube. Full chapter is about cube. Should think of cube only 3 times. Unit place digit is 5. By cubing the number, we get 555. 125. Nicely do. Next sum you are only going to do now. And you are going to show me. Copy down this. Now I will give you a number here. Next classwork sum you will do now. 0 if you get 0 only, Fazil. 0 and what? If you get 0, 0 into 0 into 0, 0 I will write. Which 0 answer? Next question. Very fast. Yes, I understood why you wrote 0. 35 will have 5 in its units place after cubing. Right? Now do this question. Question C. Our Fazil gave answer first itself. Boy is always very fast. I will be little bit slow only. Okay. So 35 afterwards B and C as I told. So 30. C. Now do this. Yes, easy only. Who is telling it is tough? I didn't say it is tough. This alone I will erase. This alone will erase. Then I will write. The units place is dash. By cubing it, we get dash. Dash will have dash in its units place after cubing. Same steps. Numbers alone changing. 2 sums homeworks also. 152. For that, the 2 to cube. 17, 7 to cube. This is easy. I selected 0. Harish, what is that? 27,000. You are going to give me 27,000. Huh? The units place digit is 0. Underline this. Units place 0. By cubing it, 0 into 0 into 0. So nothing but 0. Don't write 0 power 3. So 30 also will have a 0 in the units place only we are talking. We will get 3 zeros, I agree. But we are talking about only units place. This is units place 0. This is also unit place. We are not talking about tens place, 100 place. What is the cubing? What is the answer? That and all we don't want. The question is this. What do we do by taking a units place of the digit? So this is question C from our exercise. B and C we completed now. A and D homework. 17 and 152 some homework. 7 to cube, 2 to cube. That's all. Okay, let us pass on to the next. Before passing on to the next, perfect cube or not, show your reasoning. For that, I must tell you something. To find the first addend, what to do, we'll give an introduction. This is over. This you understood now? 2 sums. First sum and second sum from the exercise seen now. Now, an example question. Now, to find the first addend, what to do? This is the formula. You write and keep in your notebook. Before and all we were writing in classworks, no? So I used to give all like these notes. Nowadays only, it's there in textbook also. N into n minus 1 plus 1. This is the formula. I will say now what is it. Example. What is the thing we'll say. Right. Now, look at the thing. Now, to find the first addend, we use this formula, which means Now in squares, what we did, in square numbers, without multiplication, write the sum of first n odd numbers. We have seen like that. We will start from 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Like this we have seen. Okay, if we want 4 squared, we have seen like this. Sum of first 4 odd numbers. 5 squared, sum of first 5 odd numbers. This one like this we followed. Then we followed a plus 1 into a minus 1 is equal to a squared minus 1 for large numbers. This is sum of odd numbers only. For that we followed. This we followed for the squaring of the numbers without multiplication. These two formulas we followed. In the same way, now to know the first addend means of the number without cubing. For cubing purpose only. Now, for example, 5 cube. I want 5 cube, but I must not multiply. I must not say 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. We know that 5 cube is 125. We know. I don't want like that. I want to write like this. To find the first addend. To write it as a sum of the addends. Okay, sum of the addends means sum of the numbers. How to write? In that, how to start? That only this formula. For any number, this formula only. Now, for example, we want 5 cube. 5 cube is 125. Okay. The same 125, how we get here? Using this formula, we have to use. When n is equal to 5, I want 5 cube. So, here n is 5. 4 cube if I want, I will use 4. 3 cube, 3. 18 cube if I want without multiplication, 18. So sum of the numbers, sum of the addends, we say in this chapter like this. But we won't start in the number 1, 1 plus 3 plus, no. In the cube roots, we should not do like that. We should use the first addend for this formula to use. Which number is what we get, we have to write that. Example, n is equal to 5. What is here? 5. 5 into 5, here also 5. 5 minus 1, nicely follow, it is very easy. 5 into 5 minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 5 into 5 minus 1, 4. So 5 4s are multiplication, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So this 21 I have to start. My starting number is 21. Don't answer Naveen Aditya, you don't know this. No need to answer anything. So what I got here, 5 into 5 minus 1, that is 4. 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21. Starting number, first addend is 21. Then I have to move on. 5 numbers I must write. 5 odd numbers. This is first odd number. Second, after 21, 23. Then 25. Then 27. Then 29. Stop. Sum of first 5 odd numbers. Same like that of the squares. Square we started 1 plus 3 plus 5. Here we should not start at 1. Because it is cube root, we have a formula. We should use the formula. Which number we get here, that is starting number. Which number we get here by substituting this n, that is our starting number. Then 5 means 5 number to write. 7 means 7 numbers to write. So that way we should write. Then by adding it, we get 125. 3 plus 1, 4, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 7, 25, 5 carried over 2, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12, 1, 2, 5. By adding this, we will get 1, 2, 5. This is the way to prove. Okay? 5 cube is 125 only, that is straight away cubing. Simply if I give evaluate 1 mark sum, you can write this. If I give find the addends and use this formula to find, you have to do as a sum of odd numbers.